Over 100 million Americans have some type of issue or mistake on their credit report. And these mistakes could prevent them from getting a credit card, car loan, or even a house for the family. My name is Ronnie Lambeth and I'm the founder of Fortress. And for the past 15 years, I've helped over 500,000 people increase their credit scores and restore their financial reputation. And I've done that using my proprietary software that I've never let anybody have access to it. And it's made me millions of dollars. And I'm at a point in my life now that I want to help more than another 500,000 people over the next 15 years. So for a limited time, I'm gonna pull back the curtains, show my system that I've been using for the last 15 years, and give access to it for only $35 a month. Get access to the entire system, including the AI software that does all the work. Now, once the account is created, log in, hit the print letter, send in the disputes. Because these are one-of-a-kind custom dispute letters created by our AI software, when they're mailed, the credit bureaus cannot ignore the letters, which guarantees success with fixing your credit. Now, our system is simple, it's easy, and affordable, and it's guaranteed to work. They say that cash is king, and that might be true. I say that credit is the king maker. Want to be a king? Click the link to get started today for just over $1 a day.